Hi, I'm Danni and this is Joe. Our plans were turned upside down by the global pandemic, but we made the best of a bad situation, and throughout lockdown we converted this Mercedes Sprinter into our tiny home on wheels.
We haven't got a clue where we're going or what we're doing, but follow our journey across Europe and beyond.
Like and subscribe!
Like and subscribe.
Welcome to Sweden!
Weather has changed a bit, hasn't it?
I am freezing.
Is that the Baltic Sea?
Yeah.
Gorgeous bridge though.
Oh, God.
Danny's a bit worried about having a shower outside in this wind in a minute.
It's freezing. Oh,
Sweden, kids.
Sweden.
Home of meatballs,
Ikea.
Volvo, Scania.
I don't know anything else. They've got Asian drive-through. Why do we not have that at home? Oh, maybe that Asian section will be a lot better here.
Good shout.
We already crossed the bridge and now it's bolting.
All we did was drive across that bridge in a distance, drove across there, and it's
Which idea was it to go north then?
yours. Norway.
We should have just went to Spain. So we've come to a place that's got water that we could fill up to have a shower with our hot shower, but it doesn't really, it won't clip onto our water, will it?
No, it's a funny shaped tap, and it comes, rather than holding a button in and it's constant flow, you've got to like press the button, let it go, and then it comes out for like 3 seconds and it's so slow.
So alternatively, they have got a shower outside, but it's cold water. And it is
freezing.
It's freezing, and we're by the sea, so it's just like even more cold.
So
but
windy.
we're just gonna do it. I think it's just part of it. We're only at the like very south of Sweden. It's only gonna get worse from here. So.
Do you mind? Let me change my pants.
Ready?
No.
We're parked up here, and there's loads of bunny rabbits. You ready? See, there's a bit of sun now.
Showers in the shade though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
If you knew you were getting into a hot shower, it's so cold. Oh my god. That is so cold. Right. That wind can fuck off.
No, we found little ones, now we found big ones.
Giant puffballs.
Oh my god.
Definitely giant puffballs. Look at the size of them.
Look out there!
What a find.
Oh my god.
We're like but right next to Malmo in Sweden, but we're like sort of on a nature reserve. There's a really cool park up for the night.
I feel myself getting bitten.
Loads of people walking through here, but no one's picked these puffballs.
No one's picked these.
Massive. I thought they were boulders when we were walking along. Someone's buzzing. One for the gram, maker. Socks and sandal brigade.
Yeah, I'm really rocking it.
First Swedish sunset.
You've got loads of young growth of nettles here, so do you want pesto or soup?
Quite fancy soup.
Yeah? Alright.
Almost free soup.
Ooh.
Looks alright that.
So we just pulled over to do some recycling, just left where we're staying in Sweden, and Joe has found this. Going to get now he wants to use it, but I'm not really sure what. So let's get his tools out. what is the vision here?
So you wanted like a little stand, so when you're showering outside you don't get your feet on all the gravel and stuff. So what fine, I'm going to chop a couple of legs off and have one of them layers here. Swedish quality this, like Ikea. It's an Ikea shelf.
Perfect.
Like it?
Yeah, I love it.
What else is there?
No.
Yeah, I was pissed off, mate. His moped exhaust that just went past.
Joe, put it down. Joe, we don't need that.
Oh, filthy.
It's done?
Yeah. Taxi just turned out. I thought it was police coming in here. Look. Well, wait, mate. Look like a police car. I don't know.
Stop stealing from them.
Oh, is he not? Children's taxi. Dirty grey. Sign on top.
We have made it to
Lund. Which is really southern Sweden. It's an old city, basically. Got a big uni in it.
Yeah.
And it's got a nice cathedral, which I think was behind there.
Gonna go check it out.
It's in the southern province of Sweden called Scania.
Scania. One of the most visited cathedrals in all of Sweden. I'll let these grow even though people aren't appreciating them and cutting them. Maybe that was actually a lawnmower.
Where are we going to today?
Ikea Museum, which is where the first Ikea originated, is that the right word?
Yep. It's in the original building that the first ever Ikea was in the same building.
I still haven't seen a moose yet though.
Ikea Museum, kid.
Ikea Museum.
What a day out.
Excited.
We just seen a real cool roundabout, so we're going to go and film that quickly because we're a bit early, because we're a bit keen, weren't we?
Bit keen.
A little bit keen. Opens at 10, we're at 1:45. Let's go kill some time.
Woo! Story of Ikea. I don't really know much about it, other than this is the town where
It's from.
the first
This
Ikea
is the original building as well.
Yeah. Hey.
Hi. Hello. Can I pay for 2 adults, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
So we're in a temporary exhibition in the Ikea Museum of all the young designers in Sweden. There's like an award. Some of it's to do with sort of climate change and some solutions, and others just for art. But it's pretty cool.
Oh my god, we've got these at home. I'm not gonna lie, this is better than the entrance to Noma.
Hey.
Noma can learn a lot from this.
This one's for coffee, and that one's for hot dogs. I love hot dogs.
So no music.
Yeah.
Should we add some music here in 3, 2, 1.
3,
2, 1. You're supposed to dance and I'm going to put some music
oh,
in.
okay. 3, do it again.
3, 2, 1, music. You're going to read me a fact. Catalogue.
124 million catalogues printed in 38 languages, 983 suppliers in 54 countries, 12 new stores, 211,000 IKEA co-workers, 1 billion IKEA store visits. Look how cute he is!
How's that for an inspirational quote? Iconic bag this. How iconic is the IKEA bag?
It's pretty good, isn't it? They're just so versatile. We used it. Have we brought ours with us?
Yep, in your door pocket, kid.
Oh, sweet. What you got?
IKEA Museum bag. 5 crowns, like 45p. Miniature IKEA bag.
Best thing ever.
That's because they got new editions, but we don't want that. The smaller ones. They're 45 crown. They're 5 crown. We're on a budget. Free coffee with your entrance. It's a £5 to get in, roughly, per person, which ain't bad at all, really.
But
we were in there a
also,
couple of hours. The gift shop is great,
you get
and we are on the front of a 1970 or 80, maybe 90 catalogue. Look, 225 krone that set is for that seat. Very comfortable. Get free advertising for IKEA. Look at the models. You do look quite Swedish.
You reckon?
Yeah.
If you're ever in the area,
What, of Aimholt?
I suggest you come to the IKEA Museum.
It's worth a day. We were there for about a couple of hours. Good fun for a £5, wasn't it?
Best fun for
Coffee
a
ain't
fiver.
bad either. All the fun we had.
Now we're going to an IKEA
We're
and
going
I'm really
to
ready now.
the closest IKEA now, to an actual store, and we're going to have a little shop, aren't we? Right, see you in a few.
What are we doing?
Going to eat in Aimholt IKEA, because we're tourists and we love IKEA. What's that fry? Oh, veggie.
Veggie balls. So we've come to IKEA and we've got the classic, we've got the meatballs, but these are the veggie ones. I don't think I could have stomached the normal ones because I had them in Exeter with my mum a couple of years ago and like nearly died the next day. Really nice.
Just mash is really good, isn't it?
Yeah, really creamy. The balls are really nice. I love the gravy. I think they've got the same gravy as everywhere, so the other one must not be meat. I don't know what they put in it.
No. Apple pie, it's got cinnamon in, custard's very nice. They look really good. 10 krone each.
So we got the 3 that they had left of the veggie hot dogs. They've all got different mustards on. Just finishing our shot. We got a blind finally. So we have to keep putting our towels up and a couple of other bits.
It's a really bad angle of you.
Yeah, really nice.
I'm getting a bit of fennel out of the sausage.
No. Reckon? Maybe. The sausage is really nice, isn't it? Like, I love the
like
little
a-
crispy onion bits as well.
Similar to like a Glamorgan type veggie sausage.
He's finally found a windscreen wiper after like a week and hideous weather as well. I said I wouldn't be impressed if we saw a moose, and then I couldn't see it because it was bloody water.
That was a 25 quid mistake, that. £25.40p.
I said I wouldn't be very impressed if we saw a moose and I wouldn't be able to see it properly because there's water on the windscreen. At least we found it though. We literally have been in so many places and there's like none available.
I don't know. I hate fitting windscreen wipers.
Why?
It's always more difficult than it needs to be. Look at all these different attachments we got here.
Shut the door, Drive. Right, how do I do this focus in business?
This bridge is the longest stone-built bridge in Sweden. Let's have a look.